Kilalang TikToker sa US, kakausapin na si President Trump para kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Ang tanong, tutulungan ba ni President Trump yung kaibigan niyang si Tatay Digong? Pero, bago natin panoorin po yung video na yan, may nag-share ba na ito? Ito, na kumakalat ngayon sa social media. Na kung saan ay galing daw yan sa The Washington Post na nagbigay na ng pahayag daw si President Trump. Pero inalam po natin yan, bago tayo maniwala, ay nakita ko po yan sa post ni Maharlika. Ang sabi po, mag-ingat sa tanim fake news ng mga wala pa pong statement si President Trump sa illegal na arrest o kung ano yung sa ICC warrant, yan, tungkol po dyan. Kaya chinek din po natin, siyempre chinek natin sa page po ng The Washington Post, ay wala po. Wala pong inilabas pa si President Trump. Kaya paalala, yung mga nag-share ay hindi po totoo yan. Mag-ingat po tayo ngayon dahil yung iba dyan ay talagang mahilig magpakalat ng fake news, manggulo, guluhin, at para baka magpapansin, ganun lang. Eto, panoorin po natin ang video po ng isang TikToker sa US, si Midnight. Midnight pa pangalan na ito. Ito yung video.
You know, I have to tell you, after seeing the comments of what's going on, that I absolutely was compelled that I have to do a part 2 on the ex-president over in the Philippines that we said got arrested, but now it almost looks like a kidnapping. And I'm going to tell you right now to my friends out in the Philippines, I will take responsibility for my own shit of the first post that I put out, because the only rhetoric that we hear in our newspapers and our news channels and that this guy was a monster and he unalived and took the lives of so many people and everybody over there hated him. But by the comments that are flowing in, it looks like this guy was a hero. It looks like this guy, I think his name is Duarte, excuse me if I'm botching up his name, but President Duarte looked like that he was a local hero, that the people that in the Philippines were praising him as, oh my God, thank you so much for saving my family, my children from all these drug dealers and these drug addicts that were compromising women and children, all through the days and all through the nights to do anything for drugs. And when he was president, no drugs were anywhere. And when he was president, none of this was happening, and it was safe around the Philippines. But now that he's been gone, I'm reading the comments saying that drugs are everywhere, children are getting taken, women are being compromised. Praise Duarte, praise the president. He is a hero here, and we've got to do everything we can to bring him back. And I'm going to tell you right now that if he was truly arrested for crimes against humanity, then he will have to see his day in court. But if the rhetoric and the bullshit is coming out, and the lies, and he really wasn't arrested, and that he was kidnapped, then Mr. President, Donald Trump, I'm asking you to get involved and find out where the ex-president of the Philippines has been taken to.
Pero sigurado po tayo na alam na po ni President Trump po yan, yung nangyari ngayon. Kasi akalain mo ba naman, buong mundo ay pinag-uusapan yan ngayon. Kasi, nakita nyo naman, mga OFW ay nagpakita din ng suporta kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Kahit saang sulok ng mundo, nagpakita po sila ng suporta. Mga ngayon, mga men in uniform na nagpakita din po ng suporta. Mga sikat na personalidad, sikat na mga vloggers na nagpakita po ng suporta kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Dahil nga naman, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit siya nagkaroon ng ICC warrant? Kung alam nyo naman siguro, ang mga galit siguro dyan, yung mga mahilig sa pulburon, nang dahil po dyan sa ginawa po niya para mapahinto yung pagkalat ng pulburon sa Pilipinas. Hindi kagaya ng iba dyan, walang ibang ginawa, kung hindi, nakatutok sa budget, nakatutok sa ganyan. Pero, titingnan po natin, wag nating malaitin itong si dating Pangulong Duterte kasi magaling niyan sa pagdating sa politika. Magaling yan sa mga tactics dyan. Kaya siguro ngayon, nakikita po, siguro para sumama na siguro si dating Pangulong Duterte para magising na lahat na may mali ngayon sa administrasyon.